Day 163. Have you ever done something a little reckless just because you couldn't resist finding out what would happen? Today's story is about exactly that kind of curiosity. Let's learn these in today's practice. Repeat each word after me, then we'll use it in a sentence together. Ready? Let's go. 1. Audacious. Audacious. Adjective audacious means willing to take bold risks or fearlessly daring, sometimes recklessly so. It was audacious of her to ask the CEO for a raise on her first day. His audacious business idea seemed crazy at first, but investors loved it. The climbers made an audacious attempt to summit the peak without oxygen tanks. Now you try. Make a sentence about someone audacious you know or admire. Two. A close call. A close call. Collocation, a close call means a situation that almost ended badly but didn't. The car swerved at the last second. That was a close call. The exam result was a close call. I passed by just one extra point. Missing the flight by 2 minutes was a close call. We barely made it. Now you try. Describe a close call you experienced. Three. Get around to. Get around to. Phrasal verb get around to means to finally find time to do something, often after putting it off. Did you ever get around to fixing that leaky faucet? She finally got around to replying to the email 3 weeks later. I've been meaning to clean the garage, but I never get around to it. Now you try. What's something you keep meaning to get around to? Four. Curiosity killed the cat. Curiosity killed the cat. This proverb means being too curious or nosy about something can get you into trouble. She opened the unmarked package out of curiosity. As they say, curiosity killed the cat. He kept poking around his sister's messages. Curiosity killed the cat. And now he's in trouble. Now you try. Think of a time curiosity got someone into trouble. Five. Throw caution to the wind. Throw caution to the wind. This idiom means to stop worrying about risk and do something bold anyway. He threw caution to the wind and quit his job to travel the world. They threw caution to the wind and tried the spiciest dish on the menu. Normally careful with money, she threw caution to the wind and booked the trip. Now you try. When have you thrown caution to the wind? Now let's put all of these into a short story. Story title: The Locked Door. Theo was audacious, the kind of guy who'd climb a fence first and ask questions later. When he heard about an old mill on the edge of town, closed off since a partial collapse last year, he immediately wanted to see inside. I've been meaning to check it out for weeks, he told his friend Nadia. I'll finally get around to it this weekend. Nadia frowned. That place is dangerous, Theo. Curiosity killed the cat, you know. Relax, he grinned. I'm just going to throw caution to the wind and grab a few photos for my page. On Saturday, Theo squeezed through a gap in the old fence and crept inside. The mill smelled of rust and rain. He found a staircase, snapped a few photos, and climbed higher for a better shot. Halfway up, a step gave way beneath his foot. He grabbed the railing just in time, his foot dangling over a 2-story drop. He hung there, heart pounding, until he managed to pull himself back onto solid wood. "That was a close call," he muttered, sitting down hard, hands still shaking. He climbed back out carefully, jacket torn on the fence, and texted Nadia a single photo, the staircase, cracked and crumbling beneath where he had stood. "Guess curiosity nearly got more than the cat this time," she replied. Theo laughed, still catching his breath. Some places, he decided, were better left unexplored, and some things he really shouldn't get around to after all. Recall challenge. Before I go, can you remember all 5 phrases from today's story without scrolling back up? Pause the video and try. That's it for day 163. Thanks for practicing with me. Join me tomorrow for day 164. Bye for now.